Welcome to the Dress Up Mom. Hello everybody, thanks so much for tuning in. I have very sensitive skin. I have my entire life. And today I am going to show you some of the products that I really would find it hard to live without. But first, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe. It's the button. It's just here. It means everything to me. If you are a regular viewer and subscriber, I love you. Thank you so very much. We are also on all the social media outlets, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, at The Dress Up Mom, hashtag The Dress Up Mom, and you can check us out there as well. So I've had some of my viewers ask me to do something about like my skincare routine and what I use, and I kind of laugh because A, I'm very flattered. Thank you for thinking that my skin looks great. But what I use is very simple. And it's a product, this line of products called Vanicream. Some of it is Vanicream, some of it is Free and Clear. It's all by this company called Psycor, I believe. And I'm going to tell you a little bit of backstory on this and why I love this stuff so much. So, like I said, from the time I was a little girl, I had allergies. My mom would take me, I would have allergy shots, all this kind of stuff. And for a lot of my life, especially when I was growing up, I would have eczema, dry skin, sensitive skin. It kind of went away a little bit. Then in my 20s, I was buying all of the big expensive products, all of that stuff, spending hundreds of dollars a month probably on hair, fancy shampoo, conditioners, moisturizers, creams for my eyes, for everything else. And it was fine, it was kind of fun, but I would always have a little bit of breaking out. And then I started to break out a lot and finally went to an allergist and other people and learned that I cannot use products that have any dyes or any chemicals or anything else in them. And they need to be very clean, clear, free. I know the whole clean beauty movement is now big, and I think that's great. But these products have been around forever, for a really long time, and they're great. And each one of these costs it's under $20, and they last forever. I use this Free and Clear liquid cleanser, like in the morning and at night, but also their bar, the Vanicream ointment bar here, or cleansing bar, sorry. The Vanicream cleansing bar. I use this on my body, it's in the shower, but you can also wash your face with it, which is great. So I use these sort of interchangeably. Then I have been starting to use a little bit of witch hazel as a toner, like a natural just witch hazel, but I didn't for many years. And then this moisturizing skin cream, amazing. I use this on my face, on my body, on my eyes, everywhere. It's fantastic. And then I also use, this is their ointment, so I use this instead of like a Vaseline, or if I have a really dry spot, I'll use this. So that's kind of what I use on my face. I use their, this sunscreen of theirs, which is really good as well. None of this stuff makes me break out. It feels really good. I use their hair products too because I was getting like rashes and really like dry everything on my on the shampoo and on my hair for years until I found this stuff, which I'm completely clear. No more dandruff, no more anything. It's really phenomenal. So same company, but their shampoo is called, the shampoo and conditioner is Free and Clear for some reason. And then this is a gel that I use as well, their hair styling gel. And they recently got their antiperspirant, their deodorant as well. So I love the whole line, honestly. For many years, I've been using it for more than 20 years. Just really great. I used to have to buy directly from Psycor. It would be this big shipment I would get. But now I can buy all of this stuff on Amazon, and it's even in some of the drugstores. I was told about it from an allergist, like I said, about 20 years ago. And not to undermine it, but it really has changed my life. No more rashes, no more anything. Could not be happier with this product. I also need to use a sensitive laundry detergent. That's a big thing too that the doctor had told me about. No chemicals, no dyes, sensitive. So I, for a very long time, was using some of the natural ones, or like, Free and Clear, or even the baby ones, and they're fine. but I didn't really like how they got my clothes clean. You know, I'm a big fan of the laundress stuff. So the laundress stuff, I use their, I use their gentle detergent, I use their wool and cashmere, I use my sport and their jean stuff. I use it on special washes, but for everyday wear, I don't, just because it's a little bit pricey. It's a little bit pricey. I love it, but it's pricey. Their stuff doesn't make me break out at all. But I recently found out about this Persil brand. And there's the Persil brand that you can use that's not for sensitive, but their sensitive skin one is great because, again, it doesn't have any of that stuff. And the clothes comes out really, really well. Again, I don't have any problems with anything that I'm wearing, and they come out bright and fresh. I read about this in the Wall Street Journal. So that's my routine. I hope that if you maybe have sensitive skin or dry skin and have been wondering why that continues, or scalp issues, you can give these products a try. And again, for the viewers, that's my skincare routine. Could not be easier. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you liked this. Please let me know if you use any of these brands and like them, or if you decide to try them, and tell me what you think about them. Until next time, have fun and dress it up a little.